Hey there. It's Monday, but it's holiday Monday. But that's a weird thing when you're self-employed. I work today like it was a normal Monday. So the Minister for Small Business and other things, but mostly small business, I think, she announced that the CERB payments, that whole program was going to be sort of transitioning to EI in the fall. So the last period for CERB is the end of August, and so in September the CERB just ends. And so she was talking about what it's going to look like for people who have been accessing the CERB benefit, and really it's going to transition to EI. So what does that mean? Well, they're relaxing a big portion of the eligibility criteria for EI. So maybe you don't have enough hours for EI, or you don't fit into some of those criteria. They're going to relax that so they can capture as many people as possible, basically, and get them into that EI program, because there are other benefits with being part of EI. There's like training and access to like helping you get a new job and like that kind of thing. So they're trying to get as many people as possible into the EI program, but there are some people that are not going to qualify. So those are, contractors, gig workers, that kind of thing. They just don't qualify for EI because they haven't been paying in. And the government is creating a new program that's going to work very similar to EI in that it's not a cliff. Like CERB is kind of like a cliff, right? You make $1,001 and then you suddenly don't qualify at all, whereas EI works more like a sliding scale. So you can work a little bit, and then as you make more money, the government offsets part of your EI payment with that money. So for every dollar you earn, you lose 55 cents in EI or something like that. So they're working on a program that's similar to that, so you can make money and you won't just suddenly lose your payment at a certain threshold. And they have not released many more details than that. They're saying that middle of August they're going to have this program ready to go, but they don't really have a lot to say beyond that. They are also saying that this will be a similar level of income to CERB. They won't say that with any sort of definity, but they are saying that they are understanding that people still have bills to pay and that kind of thing. And so you're not going to make more by being in this new program than you would on EI. You're not going to make more on EI than you would in this new program. So they're trying to really even the whole thing out so that everybody's sort of getting the same idea in terms of benefits come the fall. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what the government comes up with for details, because as we know, the devil's in the details. Hopefully they're able to include as many people as possible. I know small business owners are really feeling left out in a lot of cases from the benefits, and so I'm hoping that they can take the feedback that they've been getting from a lot of the big organizations that support small business, like the even just the CPA organization I'm a part of has gone back to the CRA and just said, hey, look, this is what we can see, and this is what we think the blind spots are. So hopefully they take all that when they're building this new program, and I'll definitely keep you updated on what that new program looks like, hopefully by the middle of August. If you have any questions about this, let me know, and leave them in the comments for me. If you want accounting and tax tips sent to you every week, then sign up for my newsletter. I've left the link in the description. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you tomorrow.